Are you frustrated with your mouse cursor mysteriously vanishing while browsing in Google Chrome? Fear not, because in this video, I'll walk you through a simple yet effective fix to restore your cursor and put an end to this pesky problems once and for all. So let's dive into the solution together. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on Settings from here. Once in the settings, click on System from the left side menu. Then toggle off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Next, hit that relaunch button and check if that helped you out. If not, come here again and turn on Use Graphics Acceleration when available and recheck. If the issue still persists, turn this option off again and then the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the issue of mouse cursor disappearing when using Google Chrome on your computer. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.